Today I'm going to perform an unboxing of the Sanibest Pro macerating pump and toilet. These are the boxes that UPS delivered to my doorstep. Believe it or not, in California, the Sanibest Pro is not allowed. Apparently, it doesn't meet energy efficiency requirements. I guess the macerator pump uses too much electricity. Home Depot and Lowe's won't sell them in California. I had to purchase them directly through Saniflo. I purchased them at the end of January 2026, and they cost $1,590.97. That included tax and free shipping. Actually cheaper than what Home Depot would have charged. I was very impressed with how carefully the macerator pump and toilet were packed. They were in a box within a box. Absolutely no damages during shipping. This is my third Sanibest Pro that I have purchased. The first one I purchased was about 8 years ago, and it's still running like a charm. I built a small guest cottage on my property, and my adult daughter is living there. Here you can see what the brand new macerator pump looks like. And here is a bag of the pipe clamps used to connect the hoses. This white rubber device connects the macerator pump to the toilet. There are 5 holes on the pump. One opening is for a sink, another is for a shower, another is where the toilet connects, the fourth is where the sewage comes out, and the last is for the vent. I ordered the elongated toilet bowl. Believe it or not, the elongated bowl is cheaper than the round bowl by about $50. Now I'm going to show you where I will be installing the Sanibest Pro. There's a shower on the right side, and there will be a sink on the left. I installed an electrical outlet on the left side. I figure I can use this for the toilet, and a guest can plug a hair dryer or curling iron into it. It's a 20 amp circuit. I'm going to set the toilet tank in place, so you can see what it will look like. I first press the black rubber gasket over the base of the tank. Then I set the tank onto the back of the toilet. Next, I secure the tank to the toilet using these 2 brass bolts, 2 black washers, a brass washer, and a brass wing nut. This is the order the gaskets and washers go onto the bolt. Just slip the 2 brass bolts through the small holes on the bottom of the tank. Slip the thin rubber washer, and then the brass washer onto the bolt. Finally install and tighten the brass wing nut. You will need to secure the head of the bolt with a screwdriver while tightening. Here are a few photos showing the spacing on the right and left sides of the toilet. A sink will be installed on the left.